So to do these questions, make sure that you construct these objects from the Unifix cubes. So if you haven't done that yet, pause the video and do that before you continue. Once you have the Unifix cubes made, what we can do is there's some strategies to be able to draw these nets out easily. And the strategy we're going to use is this. We're going to lay it first on its back. So I'm going to use 3 cubes, and I'm going to draw those 3 cubes on the back. Okay, so I'm maybe going to draw it like this. These are my 3 cubes that represent the back surface. Okay, don't draw on each individual cube. And what I'm going to do from there is I'm going to draw out the C side surface on both sides. So it kind of makes it like a wing. So if I shade the front surface, so let's say that this surface represents this shaded surface, one of these surfaces would be then the C's. Okay, there's one on the front and one on the back. That surface I've shown here is a 3 along the back, which you can't see. So then I'm going to start with the top and bottom. So the top surface is a rectangle. So I'm going to draw it in like that. And then the bottom surface is going to be the same rectangle with two squares on it. So I'm going to draw it like that. And then from there, I'm just going to go right along this strip here and go all the way around the outside. That way I don't lose any of the surfaces, but I just have to make sure I keep track of where I'm at. So I'm going to draw the toe in. The toe is going to be this square on the front. Okay, and I'm just going to color code that. Maybe I'll color that in green here. So this surface in green is going to be that surface there, and I'll do that one in green as well. And that's going to give me this other square here. Okay, so those are both going to be my green surfaces. Those represent the toes on there. Okay, and now I have to start going underneath. So I'm going to go underneath here to draw this surface. And then this surface here is going to be drawn right there. Okay, so maybe I'll put a little X on that one. And that's going to be the surface with the X. And I have one more surface. Okay, maybe I'll color code this one in yellow. This surface in here is still unaccounted for, and that's going to be that surface there. So there's all the surfaces. I'm going to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 surfaces. Okay, so there's 10 surfaces. And the surface area is going to be 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 1 is 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 along this line. And then each one of those C's has 5 surfaces. So it's going to be 5 and 5 plus 12. So it's going to be 22 squares represent that surface area.